Hello everyone, I have been teaching all weekend in Townsville, teaching a group of physiotherapists about vestibular rehab, and one of the topics that we cover is a condition called BPPV, which is one of the most common causes of dizziness. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about BPPV and what it is. So BPPV stands for benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, and it's a condition in the inner ear that can make people feel quite dizzy. Generally people will feel like they are spinning briefly for a short period of time, usually when getting out of bed, bending down, looking up, positions that involve moving your head. And people can feel quite unsteady during the rest of the day outside of these kind of bursts of true spinning dizziness. BPPV is an inner ear condition that is caused by the movement of some calcium carbonate particles from one part of the inner ear to another part, and they're not supposed to be in this other part of the inner ear called your semicircular canals. And effectively what that does is it causes an overstimulation of the hair cells. So the brain gets a much stronger signal about how you're moving and gets very confused, and people feel very dizzy as a result of the brain's way trying to kind of figure out the asymmetry that it's experiencing. The good news is that this is a condition that is very, very treatable, often in as many as 1 or 2 sessions. Sometimes it takes a little bit more than that, but it is a very treatable condition, so it's definitely not something that should be left. I've had a number of patients recently who have had feelings of dizziness for many years before they have sought the right advice and treatment, and have been amazed at how successful it has been. So it's really important when I do my teaching sessions that I teach physios about this as well, to create awareness. It is a very common cause of dizziness, as I said earlier, with about 10% of the population probably experiencing this at some time in their life. So I hope you've learned a little bit more about what BPPV is, and if you think you could be experiencing some sort of dizziness, disequilibrium, imbalance, then be sure to give Advanced Rehab Centre a call.